What is up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Well, it is Wednesday for me. So yeah, today is shoulder and arms day, well, upper body day. It's been like a week since I've worked out just because it's been crazy with like getting ready for Black Friday sales for a surge, my business. And so today we're going to get it. And so I'm meeting with my buddies Sandy and Edwin. You remember Edwin from the last video. We're going to be hitting shoulders. We're going to get that muscle pump. It's going to be great. I'll see you guys in the gym. All right, what's up, guys? So we're here at the gym, here with Edwin. What's up, buddy? Still waiting for Sandy because she's taking some time. She's dropping off her kitty cats. I don't know if she has like a kitty cat sitter or something like that, but I mean, aren't cats supposed to be left alone at home? So yeah, we're just warming it up right now. So we're just waiting for her as she comes by. So look who finally showed up. Sandy and the girls.
Sorry, traffic.
Traffic, how are your cats?
Oh yeah, my cat too.
I still love cats. All right, next we're doing overhead presses on the squat rack machine. I'll show you how to do these. Today we're hitting 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets each. Burning the muscle up, we're hitting volume.
Leave it all over again. Break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. All over again.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on, Daryl, one more.
We're hitting up the cable machine. Y'all ready for this? Sandy, cables. We're gonna work our shoulders.
Let's do it.
Okay. This is it right here. What happens when we invite a lady to do shoulder days with us? She ends up doing legs. It's always leg day for ladies, ain't it?
Haven't worked out legs.
Okay. Go for it. Squeeze.
I'm a best man, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I beat up all night, day and night, day and night. All day and night, all day and night, all day and night, living life to the maximum. All day and night, all day and night, all day and night, I beat up all night. Living life to the maximum. Put it up on my tab, listen up, here I am, money talk.
fans. Spend it hard, spend it fast. What you need, I got cash. Make a wish, I'll make plans. I'm a pig in a suit. I don't give if I'm rude. Let me live my life with bliss in the fast lane. I'ma be on top of the world, watch it happen.
My life is dope. I wear fancy clothes. I'm a hella woke. I got hella flows. As I learn the dope. I'ma bring the show.
Alright, so we are done for today. That was our vlog, guys. We worked shoulders, arms, biceps, Sandy, Edwin. It was a fun workout. Hopefully you guys learned a lot from it. Did you guys learn a lot? Did you guys have a good workout? Yeah, it was fun. So, till next time, guys. We'll see you on the next vlog. Take care.